We're now in conversation with supermodel Lakshmi Rana. Lakshmi, thank you so much for your time. How is the pandemic treating you?
Well, it's been treating me pretty okay so far. I've had enough time with my family. And I think I don't remember the last time I've spent 3 months continuously without any traveling and without any distractions with my family. So I have had a really nice family time.
I know you've been shooting, but what is the new shoot world like?
Well, Ambika, I feel the thing is, the truth is that every industry has faced a major setback. And I think the fashion industry is one of those industries who've actually suffered a lot. There is absolutely nothing happening, at least for the past few months, nothing was happening. But this was the case for every other industry as well. However, right now some shoots have started. We Indians and we humans have this thing of fighting back, and which is what is happening. We are all adapting to new ways. We are all going virtual. I've done a shoot for Harper's, which I shot at home. The photographer shot it through FaceTime, and it came out to be brilliant. So everybody's innovative, everybody is innovating, and the workload has come down to almost 10 to 20%. It is that bad at the moment. However, and that is only for a few of us who are actually, getting some work. But what the fashion industry at the moment will take time to recover. The shoes, there is a virtual show that we did for Tarun Tahliani, which was a huge success. It was all over the digital world. And I am amazed, and I'm very, very happy to see people coming up with these ideas which can give people work, which can give the industry some work, and which can actually take care of the livelihood of people who really need it.
All right. Well said. I also know, having known you for so long, that you also invest in the stock market. Is that keeping you busy?
Well, I actually suffered some loss in the stock market when all of this happened. But it was a great opportunity to pick up some good blue chip company stocks, which I did. However, this time that I had a lot of projects which were held up. There were a lot of things and a lot of ideas in my head that was going on for the past few years, but I never had the time to invest in them or to, really make it come alive. And this time that I've had during this this lockdown period, this COVID, it has given us that time to actually work on those projects and to bring some life into them. So I have been working on my company. I have been, I'm very soon to launch it. So I don't think it would have happened had I not had this time to myself.
Wow, what's your company going to focus on?
Well, it's focusing on events, and it's also going to focus on a module which is going to take care of grooming for models and for other individuals, for corporates, for everybody. So we are opening up an image consultancy firm. So let's see how that goes.
That is so cool. I wanted to ask you that you've been a mother, and any parenting tips you have for everybody out there during this time?
Patience, I think. For the first time in my life, I realized that a child takes up the energies that the parent gives out to them. So if you are impatient, and if you are getting a little troubled with life in general, I think it starts reflecting on the child as well. So I remember for the first 2 months, it was a little tough. Being at home all the time and, trying to figure things out. I've never been used to it. I've always traveled, so it was interesting to see that how my relationship with my child grew. So now we are more, she's 6 years old only, by the way, but, she's still her own person. And I've realized that, I've learned new techniques of handling her, of making life interesting. You have to become a kid with them. So it's been such a wonderful time that I've spent with my child during these past 3 to 4 months, that the only tip that I can give everybody, all the parents out there, is to, get into the into the energy level that the kid is in. The kid is always on a high. She's always positive. And that is how we as adults should be. We actually forget to do that. And we as adults should be like that. And that is how we make the atmosphere in our own home lively and positive.
And last question, how are you managing your workouts? Because I do remember you went to the gym, which is now not a wise option. So how are you managing your workouts?
So for the past few years, by the way, Ambika, you know, we must have talked about our workout thing a long time back. Because for the past few years, I've gotten into Ashtanga yoga. I have been doing my own free weight, body weight training. So I run up and down the staircases, which hasn't been happening for the past few months though, because of COVID. But I've been doing everything at home and I've been managing it so well that now I don't really need a gym anymore. And I highly recommend yoga to everybody. I feel it's a wholesome exercise if one gets into Ashtanga or a equivalent form of yoga, because it's something which also helps in your physical toning up of your body. And I also do freehand exercises. So, you know, there have been days when, you know, it's been tough and I haven't worked out at all, say about 4 or 5 days. And there have been days where I felt amazing about working out. But now I'm in a place where I do about 5 days a week and it makes me feel great.
Great. That's a great tip. Thank you for your time and can't wait for you to launch a new business. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.